Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. So our chapter 5 multiple and factors are going on. In our previous video we have done multiples, yes. So in today's video we are going to cover the interesting facts about multiple. There are few interesting facts related to the multiple. So let's start. So today's topic is facts of multiples. Okay. So what is the first fact of multiple? So first fact is 0 is the multiple of every number. So by default, if I am asking the multiple of any number, so 0 is the by default multiple of every number. So see, if I am asking the multiple of 1, so if you will multiply with 0, so you will get 0. Here if you will multiply any number, yes, if you multiply any number with 0, you will get 0. So what is a multiple? If you know the definition of multiple, what is multiple? When we multiply any two numbers, that product is called multiple. Yes, and here always we are getting 0. Yes, 0 multiplied by 30, 0, 0 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by 256 is also 0. So, see, always we are getting product as a 0. Product means this is called multiple. When we multiply any two number, the product is called multiple of that number. Yes. So, what is the first fact? 0 is the multiple of every number. By default, the 0 is multiple of every number. If I am talking about 0 is the multiple of 0, in this the 0 is multiple of 30 also and 0 also. The 0 is multiple of 1, the 0 is multiple of 256. Yes. So 0 is the multiple of every number. Clear? That is the first fact of multiple. Now let's see what is the second fact of multiple. Every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, every number is a multiple of 1. Means if I am multiplying 1 by 1, you are getting 1. Yes, so here every number is a multiple of 1. 1 is multiple of 1. If I am multiplying 1 multiplied by 3, so you are getting 3 here. So the 3 is the multiple of 1. Here 2 is the multiple of 1. If I am multiplying here, so 429 is the multiple of 1. So every number is a multiple of 1. Clear? Every number is a multiple of 1, because when we multiply any number with 1, you will get the number itself. So means the same number. So the every number, if you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, any number, any number you can take. If you will multiply any number with 1, so you will get the number itself. So what we can say, every number is a multiple of 1. This is the multiple of 1 also. Here 2 is the multiple of 1. Here if I am talking 3 is the multiple of 1. Yes, here 1 is the multiple of 1. Clear? So every number is a multiple of 1. Yes, every number is a multiple of 1. Clear? If I am saying what is the multiple of 1? The 1 has n number of multiples. Every number, if you are talking about 2, 3, 6, 9, 250, 290, because every number comes in one's table. Yes. So every number is a multiple of 1. Why the every number is multiple of 1? Because every number comes in one's table if I am talking about the 1. Clear? So that is the second fact of multiple. Let's see the third fact. So now fact number of 3. What is the third fact of multiple? The first multiple of every number is the number itself. In yesterday I told you, first if I am talking about the first 4 multiples, it means you have to, if I am saying write the starting 4 multiples of 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 threes are 3 fours are. These are the first 4 multiples of 3. But here if I am talking about the first multiple of every number. First multiple means if I am saying what is the first multiple of 3, so you will say ma'am 3 multiplied by 1. So number itself. If I am saying what is the first multiple of 7? So 7 multiplied by 1, 7. What is the first multiple of 264? So 264 multiplied by 1. So 264. So the first multiple of every number is the number itself. The first multiple, if I'm asking the first multiple of any number, what will be the first number? The number itself. Whatever is the number, that the number itself is the first multiple of that number. That is the fact number 3. Now what is the fourth fact of the multiple? Multiples of 10 always end with 0. Yes, if I am talking about, right, tell me the seventh multiple of 10. So let's take seventh multiple. 10 multiplied by 7, 70. Tell me the 296 multiple of 10. So you will multiply it. So always at the end you will get 0 always. Yes, because we are multiplying with the 10. In 10 we have 1 0. And when we multiply, I told you this 0 will come at the end. Yes. So multiples of 10 always ends with 0. I think it is clear. So 10, 20, 30, 200, 300, 400. If I am writing any number here, 4, 5, 9, 6, 0. If I am asking, is it the multiple of 10? So you will say, yes ma'am, this is the multiple of 10 because at the end there is 1 0. That's why it is the multiple of 10 also. Yes, clear? So what is the fact? Multiple of 10 always end with 0. If the end is coming 0, it means it is always a multiple of 10. Clear? Let's see the next fact of multiple. So let's see the fifth fact of multiple. What is the fifth fact of multiple? Multiples of even number always end with even number. If I am talking about any even number means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, where the first digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are even numbers. So multiples of even number always end with even number. If I am talking about the 6 is an even number. So the multiple of even number is, the seventh multiple of even number is 42. So it always ends with even number. It ends with even number. See here. 2. It is ending with 2. If I am talking about 48. 48 is an even number. So if I am taking the fifth multiple of 48, it is ending with even number. Yes. Here 44 is even number. If I am taking the seventh multiple of 44, even number. So it is ending with even number. So a nice example, if I am talking the table of 2 or 4. 4 I am taking. 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8. See here, the 4 is even number. Yes, and these are the multiples of 4. So they are always ending with even number. They are always ends with even number. So that is a fifth fact. Multiple of even number always end with even number. Yes. So if we are taking out the multiple of any even number, that the end of that multiple is always with even number. It will always be a even number. If you are taking about table of 4, table of 26, table of 12, these are all even number. If you will write their tables, so at the end always you will get the even number. Clear? So multiple of even number. Multiple of even number. You can take any number. Any even number you can take. The multiple of even number always end with even number. If I always end with even number. Here I am getting 2. Here I am getting 0. Here I am getting 8. If you are talking about 4, 4 is an even number. So what are the multiples of 4? These are the multiples of 4. So they are all ending with even number. See here. Clear? So this is the fact number 5. Now let's see what is the sixth fact. Look, sixth fact is every multiple of an odd number. every multiple of an odd number. Yes, that falls in odd places ends with an odd number. Yes, so let's to understand it. Every multiple of an odd number. So I am taking any one odd number here. I am taking 5 here. Okay. So let's write the multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65 and so on till the end you can write. Yes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. I have write the multiples of an odd number. This 5 is the odd number and I have write their multiples. Yes, these are the multiples of that odd number. So every multiple of an odd number. This is the every multiple of an odd number that falls in odd places. What are the odd places? Means first, third, fifth, seventh, ninth, 11th. So here it is on first place, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what are the odd places? First, third, fifth, 7, 9th, 11th and so on. So let's see the what we have on odd number. Third is odd number. Fifth place is odd number. Seventh place. Then ninth place. Then 11th place and 13th place. Yes. So ends with an odd number. They always end with odd number. See here. At the end you will get odd number. Clear? So what is the sixth fact of this multiple? What is the sixth fact? Every multiple of an odd number which falls in odd position. Odd position means on odd places. 1 place, 3 place, 5 place, 7 place, 9 place, 11 place and 13 place and so on. 15 place, 17 place. Okay. So they always end with odd number. Clear? They always end with odd number. This condition is applied only for odd numbers. If you will write the table of 6 here. See here, if I am talking about the 6 table, now let's see their odd places. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. At the end, you will see you are not getting odd number here. Yes, you are getting even number. So this is not applied for even number. This situation is applied for odd number only. Which numbers? Odd number. If any, the multiples of odd number which falls on odd position means first, third, fifth, 7, 9, 11, 13, they always ends with odd number. Clear? That is a fact number 6. Again I am repeating what is this fact. In this fact just remember this fact is applied only for odd numbers. If I am talking about any odd number, yes, if I am writing their multiples, so the multiples which comes on odd places. Odd places mean first, third, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. So they always end with odd number. They always end with odd number. Means everything is odd here. Odd number, odd position. Yes. And at the end also you will get the odd number. So everything is odd, odd, odd. This rule is applied for odd number, odd position here, and at the end also you will get the odd number. Clear? So now let's see the last. So now the last fact of the multiple. Every multiple of an odd number that falls in even places like second places, fourth places. In sixth number, what we have done? We were finding for odd places. Here we are doing even places. Okay. So ends with an even number. So here I am taking again every multiple of an odd number. I am taking again 5, example of 5. So let's write the multiple of 5, multiple of an odd number. So I am writing 5. Okay, you can just take the 3. Okay, 5 already we took, so 3 I am taking here. 3 is also odd number. So let's write the multiple of 3. Okay, clear? So these are the multiple of 3, means multiple of an odd number. Yes, that falls in even places. Now let's see their even places first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what are the even places? 2 is the even places, 4th place, 6th place, 8th place, 10th place, 12th place. These are the even places. These are the even places. Yes, these are the even 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th. Even places. So always end with even number. They always end with even number. See here. 8 is even number, 4 is even number, 0 is even number, 6 is even number. Yes. So in 6th one what we have done? We are finding their odd position. If you will see the odd position, in odd position what you will get? You always get the odd number. Odd position always end with the odd number. Yes. These are the odd position. Always end with the odd number. And if you will see the even position, even places, so even places end with the even number. Yes. So this rule, both rules 6 and 7 applies only for odd numbers. If we are talking about any odd number, now I am telling you both the rules, number 6 also and number 7 also. What are the 6 and 7? If I am talking about any odd number, the multiples of any odd number, if you will see on even number places, so the even number places always end with even number. If you will see the odd number places, the odd number places always end with the odd number. So these are the interesting facts about the multiples. So now let's try to, this one you have to do in your homework. Yes, this one, and I will discuss all the problems in today's class. So don't miss your class today. Let's try to will do in today's class. Okay. So bye bye to you all. Take care yourself.